So let's continue our discussion in PHP tutorial number 20. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you all PHP string functions. So let's discuss what is a string function in PHP and how to use them. So this is tutorial number 20. Now let's get started. But first let me zoom in by pressing Ctrl and moving my mouse wheel so that it could be zoomed in. PHP string functions. The first function is string length. strlen means strlen. So string length. It will return the length of your string, that how many characters do you have in your string. So let's do it practically. Okay, now this here, first let me just type here echo. Now within this echo, let me type a string. Hello guys, are you ready for string understanding? Okay, and semicolon. So Control S so that it could be saved. Now first count down all the characters. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43. So maybe I have missed some counting, but overall it is 41 or 43. So Control S, go to your browser, and we have this tutorial number 20 string functions. So reload the page. Okay, I made a big mistake because I haven't used the function. I have just printed the line. So for that we have to use here string function, that is str length, enter. Now parenthesis, within parenthesis pass the entire string. Okay, so within parenthesis pass the entire string. Now this time Control S, go to your browser and reload the page. So 48, as I mentioned that maybe I have missed some characters while counting. So overall the length of our string is 48 because it will count the white spaces as well. So there are so many white spaces. So overall we have 48 characters. Now let's me remove the other one. Just keep it as it is, the hello. So Control S. Now this time we have 1 2 3 4. So it will return 4 value, 4 length of our character, as you can see right here. Okay, so that was the first function that will return string length. Now let's move to the second one, string word count. So if you move your cursor on this, then it will give you the description of this function. It says that to string word count, take some argument and it will return the length of your word instead of character. So if I copy this, not this, let me type it again. First let me explain it. Count words in a string. It will count words. The PHP string word count function counts the number of words in a string, not the character. Let's do it practically. So echo and string word count. Now within this write couple of string such as my name is Noor Saeed. No, let me write something good. Subscribe coding world. Control S. Now here you can see, let me zoom in a bit more. We have 3 words, first one, second one, third one. So Control S, go to your browser and it will return you 3 because we have 3 words. Okay, let me comment it out. Control/. Now again Control S, go to your browser and reload the page. Okay, this time we have 3 because we have 3 words and it will return the counting of words instead of characters. Let me include some other words such as subscribe coding world and like this video. Now we have, okay, this will be video. Control S, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it will return 7 because we have 7 characters in our string. Amazing. Now comment it out, control forward slash. Let's move further. str rev, it means string reverse. Okay, okay, it will reverse the string. The PHP strrev means string reverse function reverses a string. So let me copy this, control C, and paste it right here, control V. Now move your cursor on it and control forward slash so that it could be uncommented. Now remove this function. Instead of this string word count, put it right strrv, means string reverse. Now what will happen? First let me remove all these words, just skip subscribe. It will reverse this subscribe. In place of S there will be E, in place of U there will be B, in place of B there will be I, and all for the rest characters. So control S, go to your browser and reload it. As you can see, abir s bus sorry, whatever it is, but it has reversed. So subscribed has been reversed by string reverse function. Now what will happen if I include more words? Subscribe this channel, control S. Now it will reverse the word, first the words, first word, second word, third word. But this time after reversing this string, it will reverse first this word. So first will be channel, then will be this, then will be this word, subscribe. So first it will reverse the words as well as it will reverse the character of each word. So instead of channel, it will be lineage. Instead of this, it will be siddh. Instead of subscribe, it will be abscribe, whatever it is. So control S, go to your browser and reload it. As you can see, let me zoom in. First word is after reversing channel, but the character of channel has been reversed as well. Same for this, same for subscribe. Good. Now let me comment it out as well. Let's move further. Okay, strpos. It is a function for string that is used to find the position of first occurrence of a substring in a string. Now what does it mean? So let me show you practically. Echo, then strpos, and within this let me write here hello world. Now I want to find the position of hello world. So the first parameter will be my string that I want. This will be my original string. And the second parameter will be the substring. And on the basis of this substring, I'll be find the occurrence of any word. So what I want here? I want here a hello. So control S and it will return me. Now listen to me very carefully. It will return me integer type value. So let me show you. As you can see here, 0. Here 0. Listen to me very carefully. The first character of hello is located at index 0. Now listen to me very carefully again. In this string we have two types indexing. First indexing is this world is located at index 0 and this world is located at index 1. Now again the second index is for this word. Now this word has 4 characters and the first character, that is H, is located at index 0. E is located at index 1. L is located at index 2 and up to so on. So it means that within this string we have two types of index. First for word, the second for characters. So as I have told you that it will return the string type value for the index number of that word. So it has returned 0. But what will happen if I pass here world? Control S. What type of index or what type of integer value it will return? It will be 5. Now let me show you that why it has returned 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and this character W is located at index 5. That's why whenever you want to find the position of that specific word, then it will return the word. It will not return the index of that word. It will return the index of that word first character. I repeat, it will return the index of that word first character, and that is W. That is located at index 5. That's why it has returned 5. Okay, now let me include this, and instead of W, this world, this time let me pass here this. Now within this string, I want the substring this, and it will return the index number of t, and whatever it is, it will be right here. Okay, I haven't saved it, so Control S, go to your browser and reload it 11, because the first character of this is located at index 11. Okay, now let's move further. Now it's time to use str replace, means string replace. So replace text within a string. It is it's very simple, because it just replaces the text within a string. The PHP string replace function replaces some characters. Okay, and let me show you some character with some other characters. Let me enter and let me comment it out. Here one point is very important: replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. Okay, such as this example. In this example, let me show you another example. First let me type here echo. Now within this echo, I'll be using string replace. Within this replace, let me give some space. Let me put here a comma so that you can easily understand. Now within this string, what I want, this is my style of coding. Okay, after that semicolon. Now this is my style of string, this is a string, and this is the third parameter, or you can say the second parameter. If I pass here some other parameters as a string, then what will happen? Such as hello, after that world, Control S. What will happen? Will it replace or will it throw an error? So let's see. And it will, this is my style of coding, and it is just printed this one. As you can see, this is my style of coding. Nothing happened and there will be no error. The reason is because we haven't passed the specified number of string right here. I know you are confused. Let me explain you again. So let me make it easy for you. This is this world. Just type here this world. Okay, now let me change this world. Hello guys. So Control S. Okay, again save and go to your browser and reload this world. Again nothing happened. Now listen to me very carefully. Whatever you want to replace, it will be amongst this two, and whenever you want to replace, and it will be this string, and that you want to replace within any original string, and it will be this line. So this word, you have to type here the first letter of that string right within this first string parameter. So this, after that, now this guys and this world are two separate sentences. This is my original string that I want to perform some replacement, and you have to pass within this first parameter the first word of that original string. After that you want to replace, you have to pass this one. Now whatever it will happen, it will just replace this guy. This will be replaced with this guys. So Control S, go to your browser and reload guys world. So that was all about PHP string function. So hope you have liked this video. If you like, then subscribe this channel Coding World and like this video. So see you in the next video.